Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Pinnacle development. Now what we're looking at straight ahead is the construction of Tower 1. This is the Swallowtail. And the second tower to be built out here is called the Canary. They're all named after birds. Now this structure is going to be 28 floors high. And looks like they seem to be moving very quickly because the last time we were out here, they hadn't started. It wasn't this tall. I'm trying to figure out how many floors it is. It looks like the lobby and then 2 floors above it. So they're working on the 3rd floor. Or the 4th floor if you include the lobby. Now, these towers are going to be the tallest buildings in Jamaica and the Caribbean. Each tower is going to be 28 floors tall, or each tower is going to be 28 floors, and it's going to consist of 141 units. And it's going to have a 7th-floor parking garage. I'm probably thinking that structure beside it, where you see the steel coming out of the ground, that's probably where the parking garage is going to be, because it wouldn't make sense to build 2 towers so close to each other. Now the structure consists of 4 towers at 28 floors each, but they're doing it in phases. So phase 1 is going to be the construction of Tower 1 and 2, which is the Swallowtail and the Canary. That building you're looking at coming into view on the left now is going to be a commercial center. And this tower we're looking at now, the Swallowtail, it's supposed to be finished in 2027, phase 1. Alright, so we're going to give you some more information on the Pinnacle development. The Pinnacle is an exclusive residential development in Montego Bay, Jamaica, offering a blend of luxury apartments and villas within a private community. Situated on its own peninsula overlooking the Montego Bay Marine Reserve, the Pinnacle comprises 4 elegant apartment towers and villas. Each residence is designed to optimize indoor or outdoor living, providing views of the mountain, lagoon, and Caribbean Sea. The amenities that the residents have access to a range of amenities, including the Mangrove Club, a private club featuring 2 restaurants, a spa, gym, and various sports facilities. Swimming pools and beaches, multiple pools and inland beaches designed for relaxation, a private marina, Pinnacle Quay, where penthouse residents have the exclusive option to purchase a boat slip, shopping and dining. It will have on-site boutiques and restaurants, enhance the convenience and lifestyle of residents. The development offers comprehensive home management services, including concierge support, housekeeping, and maintenance. A professional rental management team is also available to assist owners interested in generating rental income. The Pinnacle represents various investment options, with 2-bedroom apartments starting at approximately $537,000. These residences are suitable as full-time homes, vacation properties, or investment assets. Alright guys, so we will keep you guys updated on this development, as it is a major infrastructure development in Montego Bay and Jamaica, because it's going to be the tallest buildings in Jamaica and in the Caribbean. So we'll give you updates every 2 weeks. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.